Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can use star codes in Roblox. So basically what star code is, when you buy a Robux or you buy a premium subscription, you can enter a star code, and basically what it does, it supports your favorite Roblox creator. So for example, if you buy some Robux for, I don't know, $5, they will get commission for that, maybe 5 or 10%. And to do so, to use star codes, what you need to do here is to basically press on the Robux icon on the top right corner, then press buy Robux, and then select the amount, for example this one, and here it should be as you can see here, click here to add a star code. And basically there is a website where you can find all the star codes here, as you can see here. Let's say I want to support a blue bug, so I need to copy the star code here and then enter here, press add. As you can see here, the code is invalid, but maybe this one is working. And now I support bubbles here, and as you can see here, they will earn 5% of your purchase and you will keep the Robux you paid for. Right, so that's pretty much it, what you need to do here if you want to use star codes in Roblox. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.